If you're a life scientist, you know that using good antibodies is essential for many types of experiments. But with so many manufacturers, it's difficult to know whose antibody actually works. We spend time asking our lab mates, searching through papers, and even emailing school email lists. But admit it, we've all wasted time on antibodies that just don't work. Choosing antibodies is complicated because there's so many antigens, experimental applications, sample tissues, and the different brands that all say they're the best. But there's a solution. Every one of us has a few antibodies that we know work. What if we pool this knowledge together and share it with each other? This is the idea behind BenchWise. BenchWise is an online community where real scientists share their real experience using antibodies. We can find, discuss, and learn from each other just like what we do in lab, except that it's a million times bigger and more complete. Sharing your antibody knowledge on BenchWise involves two simple steps. In the first step, you can share your overall rating of an antibody. Say, for example, a DS-Red antibody for Western blot. You can then complete step 2 by clicking Add Details Now, where you can input a full review on how you did the experiment. If you want to save time, you can also click Submit a Quick Review and save step 2 for later. Now imagine that you're looking for a DS-Red antibody that works for Western blot. You can locate the review by antigen name, DS-Red. When you see the full review, you'll be so happy to know not only which antibody works, but how to use it properly. Obviously, you'll thank the author profusely. What if the review is a quick review, and you want to learn how the author did the experiment? By clicking just one button, BenchWise will send a full review request to the author on your behalf. Whether you want the world to know your knowledge, want to help your fellow scientists, or to find antibody advice, BenchWise makes your life easier so that you can focus on the experiment itself, get more results, and publish papers. Join BenchWise now at benchwise.org.